How's it going, Mike?
How you doing?
This is Tofu, my FRS 86 BRZ, and we're going to install the Cusco front brace from Cusco with the brake master cylinder brace on it. What's that part number? Show you how easy it is to install from Cusco. Let's go, Mike. Let's
Super easy. A lot easier than you think.
Here comes Andrew up to the dyno. Andrew, send me pictures, okay?
Yeah.
Nice Spooky Empire GC shirt on.
I was going to tell Andrew the same thing. Some pictures, videos. Not trying to break records here, just kind of.
Take your time. Take your time.
Easy install.
Anthony, send me some pictures as it's happening.
I'll have to do it. I'll forget.
Yeah.
Remember getting photos from it.
Photos and videos.
Huh?
Photos and videos. Okay.
Just a time to. Once we break the 4-figure mark, then we'll start videoing.
Nice.
You got that side down? Almost. There we go.
Look at that thing.
Doesn't it look great?
Now if you look, the 86 chassis does come with its own strut tower bracing to the firewall. So this just helps it, and also it's Cusco and JDM and inexpensive, so it looks cool anyway.
My favorite part, to be honest, is the fact that it comes with a brace for
Yeah.
the brake master. That is awesome. Well, the Trump company does that.
I actually remember the things.
Good luck, guys. Bye.
It's like we're going off the back with something.
I'm gonna do the YouTube thing. Anthony and Andrew are up to the dyno with a 04 STI we built. Hopefully get some good numbers from that today.
We'll definitely be hearing from that later.
Did you put JC's keys away or did they have to grab brakes?
That's how
I
bad
just
want to
noticed
drive
the
it.
little Cusco C. Look how clean my nails are, because I barely work on cars anymore. I'm always in the office. So this car will be getting better suspension, because I do want to start doing the time attack up at the firm. Nice corroded battery.
This car will be a nice sound attack car. Light, nimble.
There's another tip, you should definitely replace the filler neck on any 86 FRS BRZ. They turn brown and fail from the inside out, and this car does have a Koyo radiator in it as well. So
Car's gonna feel nice after this. Especially the brakes.
all Mike's got to do now is put the little brake brace on the master cylinder.
Yeah, adjust that real quick.
Again, this is as he's doing that. We have plenty of these in stock. Cusco part number 965-540 Alpha Mike Lima Hotel Delta for left-hand drive. Is that it? There we go.
I want to triple check these.
Actually, Mike, before you do that, I know you're going to check those. Could you do the sexy reveal for me, please?
Oh, my pleasure. Want to help me out there, Alan?
There we go. Cusco front strut tower bar.